Now, the students, we will start with the new topic of statistics. The topic is standard deviation. Standard deviation. Standard deviation, that is denoted by SP, sigma से denote किया जाता है standard deviation. Now the formula to find the standard deviation is, how to find the standard deviation for individual series. The standard deviation SP denoted by sigma is equal to summation xi minus x bar whole square whole under root upon number of terms for individual series. And when the frequency is given, then this will be written as fi xi minus x bar whole square and capital N, the sum of the frequency. If the frequency is given, then the relation is this. Now, after this, we having some shortcut relations from this, that is sigma xi square upon n minus mean square. This is the ST. And another is sigma fi di upon n minus sigma fi di upon n and this whole square. This is the formula when the terms of x and f are large. अगर x की वैल्यूज बड़ी हैं तो आप di वाला लगा सकते हैं, शॉर्टकट है ये. And another is when the case of class interval. In case of class interval, the SD, that is sigma, will be equal to sigma fi ui square upon n minus of sigma fi ui upon n and this whole square, and this whole in range the height of interval. So this is the case when the class intervals are given. So these are the some basic formulas to find the standard deviation. Now, how to apply the formula in case of solving the problems, different type of problems. So students, I will try to solve the exercise, that is exercise 15.2. Exercise 15.2. The question number first is given is, find the mean and variance. Find the mean and variance for the data. Mean and variance for the data. The data is given as, I am writing here the data. The data is given as x. Find mean and variance for the data. The data is given as x is 6, 7, then 10 and 12, 13, 4, 8 and 12. The question is to find the mean. X are given. Now, in this case, the formula to find the SD, mean and variance. The formula for variance is variance denoted by SD square, that is individual series xi minus x bar and this whole square upon n. So this is the formula to find the variance. In order to find the variance, we need x bar. So what is x bar? That is equal to sum of these all terms. You have to find the sum of these all terms and divide it by the number of terms. So their total of this is 72 and number of terms are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So therefore the mean of this is 9. Then after that, write the table of xi minus 9 and this whole square. Xi minus 9 and this whole square. That is xi 6, minus 3, the first will be 9, that is xi minus this, and 4 means 7 minus this, that is 1, then again 9, then 16, then 25, then 1, and then 9. So these are the values of x minus of 9 whole square. After finding the x minus 9 whole square, the values we get 9, 4, 1, 9, 16, 25, 1 and 9. Then the formula is for variance. So therefore you have to write the sum of this. You have to add these four terms, and the sum of this becomes that is 35, 40, 51, 60 and 74. Okay. So therefore the variance which is denoted by sigma square is equal to the formula, that is sigma xi minus this 74 whole square and divided by xi minus x bar whole square and divided by the number of terms, that is 8. So this will gives you 0.25. So this is the variance of the data. So this is the way to find the variance of individual series. Now after this we will start with the another. The next case is in question number 2. Find the mean and variance for first n natural numbers. So students, you know that the first n natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on up to n. The first case is to find the mean of this. You know the mean? This question number 2. Mean is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 n plus on n divided by the number of terms. And you know that is sigma n, sum of n terms. And what is the sigma n? That is n into n plus 1 by 2. So therefore the mean of this becomes n plus 1 by 2. So this is the way to find the mean, because we know that the sum of first n terms, that is sigma n, denoted by sigma n, and the formula for sigma n you know, and this is the value of mean of this. Okay. After finding the mean, we want to find the variance. The variance is given as denoted by v here, sigma square is equal to sigma xi square upon n minus of mean square. Sigma xi means the square of these terms, that is 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus n square divided by n minus of mean. The mean is n plus 1 by 2 here, and we find out that. Now students, you know the value of this is n plus 1 to n plus 1 by 6. So this becomes 6n, n minus of n plus 1 by 4. This n will cancel. Now how to solve and get the result? Therefore, this n plus 1 by 2 taken outside common from here. Inside we have 2n plus 1 by 3 and minus of n plus 1 by 2. Okay. Now LCM of this is 6. Can be written as 4n plus 2 minus 3n and minus of 3, which implies n plus 1 by 2, and this whole into this becomes n minus 1 by 6. So therefore the result of this means the variance of this sum of first and next number will be n square minus 1 by 12. This is the variance of this data. Okay. So this about question number 2. Now after this question number 2, I will start one more, that is the question number 3. What is in question number 3? Find the mean and variance of first 10 multiple of n. So first of all, I write the table of this xi, that is the first 10 multiple of n, that is 3, then 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27 and 30. Okay. The question is find the mean and variance of the first 10 multiple of 3. These are the total 10 terms. And after that, what is the formula? The terms, the values of x are large, therefore the mean or variance of this or mean of this can be find out by using the shortcut methods. So therefore students, in order to find its mean, you having the two ways, either you add this or divide by this, or for variance, that is sigma square. For variance, we having the shortcut, that is sigma xi square can be written as di square upon n, and minus of sigma di upon n and this whole square. Okay, sigma di square upon n and minus of sigma di upon n this whole square. So this is the variance. Mean you can find by adding this or applying the di. What is di? That is xi minus assume mean. अब आप इसमें से assume mean ले लेंगे, बीच में कोई तरफ मैंने यहाँ पर 18 सेट कर लिया है, तो मैं इसका टेबल स्टार्ट करूंगा di वाला 18 के बाद. तो this will gives you minus of 15, that is minus of 12, that is minus of 9, that is minus of 6, this will be minus of 3, this will be 0, then 3, then 6, then 9, and that is 12. Okay, di, that is xi minus of 18. The column is minus 15, minus 12, minus 9, minus 6, minus 3, 18 minus 18, that is 0, 3, 6, 9 and 12. Okay, then you see the formula, V means di square. How to find the di square? That is squaring the term of this, that is 2 to 5, 144, 81, 36, 9, 0, 9, 36, 81 and 144. Okay, and we need the sum of these terms. So for we have to find the sum of this di, that is 15, 12, 12, 9, 6, 3, 9, 6, 3, ये सब term कैंसिल हो जाएगा. हमारे पास जो टोटल इसका रह जाएगा, that is equal to minus of 15. Sum of this. Okay, and this whole sum is 765. Therefore, to find the variance, that is sigma di square means 765 divided by number of terms, that is 10, and minus of sigma di, that is minus of 15 upon 10 and this whole square. Okay, so by substituting the values in the formula, you have to solve and find the value of this. So that is 765 and minus of this becomes 225 upon 100 can be written as 0.225. मैंने स्क्वायर कर दिया है, स्क्वायर के बाद 225 अपॉन 100 मिल गया, उसकी वैल्यू को लिख दिया है. अब मैं इसे सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दूंगा, तो दिस विल बी 72 or point something, that is 72.25. This is the formula, shortcut formula to find the values. Or if you want to find the SD of this, you have to write the root of this. And what is mean? Mean you can use the shortcut, that is a plus sigma di, that is sigma di upon n number of terms. You can find the mean by using this. So this is about these questions.